goal is get better than my first pass. That's my goal today, so let's get that done. Going for one more run, or 2 or 3, God knows how many. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I'll try 4 more, but I don't know, it's super hot. The car is getting super hot. But anyway, I just want to make sure everything is super fine, but I will try 4 more. And I hope you guys enjoy all the trucks you saw, and look at that. Everyone is looking at my Colorado though, which is fun. That's why we're here, and I love it. Better and better, I think. It's hard to say. Thank you. 13.6. God damn it! I can't be my first time. That's crazy. time to head back home. We're gonna load the vat on the trailer. And one thing I noticed though, and I wanna just, you know, let you guys know, I'm towing a lot, as you guys saw, but I'm burning gas like crazy. I think it's doing like 15, 14. That was the worst gas mileage that I got on my Colorado. But it's towing fine. I'm keeping under like 55, which is not actually true, but I'm doing like 60, maybe something like that. And well, let's see how that goes. Another 2.5 hours driving back home, and we're gonna load the vat, and then I'm gonna finish with kind of a summary, and I'm gonna give you guys my review, actually my opinion, how my 6-inch lift Colorado was towing the Corvette, how was the experience, and also I'm gonna show you all my times with the Corvette. 2 vlogs in one. So time to head home. Had a great time here. So I'm gonna do a review also how the Colorado is towing the vat or any car. So far so good. The experience was amazing. I know what the car is capable of, and well, I'll see you guys back in the garage. Stop for gas, and well, the truck really can feel like how heavy is the trailer in the car. As you guys can see, I have no voice. But anyway, it's doing amazing, but I never had that bad fuel economy so far. That was my worst experience ever with the truck, so I think it's just good to mention that. But so far so good. You can, you know, I'm going up like to 60, 65, whatever, in that range. So I'm probably gonna spend another $50 to fill it up, and then that, I hope that gets me at home, because if I wasn't towing anything, it would get me home easily. So anyway, I just want to give you guys that that message before we talk about the summary and recover my voice. So see you guys in the garage. We made it back home, and let me tell you, the only reason why I'm wearing sunglasses now, it's because I'm so tired and I have my contacts on, so I don't want you guys to see my eyes how they are. So that's why. That's no reason to wear sunglasses right now. But just to finish it, I'm so tired, but it was really good. It's more than run the car and people looking at the truck, as you guys saw. More than that, the main thing was meeting people. Oh my god, that's so good. That's really nice when cars connect people. But anyway, I'm just gonna give you guys a summary of what happened. I did 3 passes on the first time, and my fast time was 13.4, and then I was trying really hard. Remember, complete stock C6 Corvette, nothing. I have a Borla exhaust, and that's it, nothing else. And then I tried a couple times, you know, learning the car, learning how to do burnouts and all this stuff. So my first and my last were my best time, 13.4, but I don't think I will be racing that much. My goal with the Corvette is a different goal, which I will share with you guys in the future. And the truck though, this thing was towing so nice. So if you are debating on getting our truck lifted, don't be afraid, because this thing is so nice. And by the way, I'm wearing a different hat because my wife got this one for me at the event. But anyway, that was a summary of today. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I don't even know how that's gonna look like. So if you're not following me Instagram, you're missing because I post a lot of stuff there. Just make sure to follow me Instagram. Now I really need to get rest. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope to see you next video. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. And as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.